Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious oatmeal with milk. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. For one serving, you'll need about 1/2 cup of rolled oats and 1 cup of your favorite milk, whether that's dairy or a plant-based alternative. A small pinch of salt is also essential to bring out the natural flavors. Don't forget to think about any sweeteners or toppings you might want to add later. Now, let's get cooking. Pour your 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of milk, and that tiny pinch of salt into a medium-sized saucepan. Place the pan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. It's important to stir frequently during this stage to keep the oats from sticking to the bottom and to ensure they cook evenly. Once you see those small bubbles, reduce the heat to low. Keep the oatmeal simmering gently on low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll notice it gradually thickening as the oats absorb the milk. Remember to stir occasionally to achieve that wonderfully creamy consistency we're aiming for. Once the oatmeal reaches your preferred thickness, take it off the heat. This is the perfect moment to stir in any sweeteners, like a spoonful of honey or a dash of maple syrup. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfectly cooked oatmeal. Carefully spoon the warm, creamy oats into your favorite serving bowl. Now comes the fun part, adding your toppings. Think fresh berries, sliced bananas, a sprinkle of nuts, or even a dash of cinnamon. If you prefer a slightly thinner consistency, feel free to add a splash of extra milk. Serve it immediately and savor every warm, comforting spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.